Good morning. Okay, for today's adventure, we are going to take a ride on my friend Doug's sailboat. It's a W17 Trimaran. So there's not a lot of wind today, but there's enough, I think. And the boat is in the water, and today's the day. So let's check it out. There it is. It's pretty fast. You got the paddles?
Yeah. Yeah, that in the paddles.
Okay.
Look at you see it in motion.
Okay. The mainsail right there. That cinches off there. Yeah, this is like 2 knots of wind, huh?
Yeah.
But we're still sailing.
I just keep going.
This is the life. We are sailing. It's like picked up to maybe 3 knots, I don't know. Now that we're a little bit offshore, I see some more ripples off that way, so maybe it'll even get better. Nice. This is actually not a bad wind.
No, it's
I thought we were going to be like in irons. We're moving. It's hard to know. Yeah, it's definitely 3 knots. 3 to 5.
8 knots, mate.
Well, we really loved the photo you had of your dog in the little yellow life jacket that matches the boat. And oh man, that would be so fun.
Even when we sailed up to Panglao Island, she came with us, and I just told him before we got there, so we got a dog, is that okay? I said, yeah, no problem.
Yeah. I'm sure they're just happy for the business up there. We just put up the Jennifer, so we've got 3 sails up. The Jennifer, jib, and the main. Wow, got a lot of fabric in the air. So for this 2 knots of wind, we're getting a pretty good speed. This is it. We are moving. What's the highest wind speed that you've gone out in this?
25, I think.
In this?
Yeah, just inside.
Right. I'm sailing. telltales on the sail there, the red and the green. They're going straight back. Well, they're not both going straight back. The reds are hanging down. But that just might mean there's no wind. But they're supposed to both be going straight back. Hide sails. Should I tack?
Yeah.
History about this boat again. You bought it from a Russian guy, and he bought it from a French guy who bought it from the builder in Subic.
Yeah.
And do you have any idea when it was built?
It was built in 2012.
2012. And what was the guy's name? The builder?
Andrew Johnson.
Andrew Johnson.
Yeah.
About that. So we just did a jibe, and I noticed that the Jenica attaches. So the sail, the sheet, learning the terminology, the sheet comes down this pulley and attaches on the same side to this cleat. And the jib is sort of the opposite. It comes down and it hits a pulley, and instead of the cleat being on the same side, it attaches across where Doug is sitting right now. So, just for personal reference. So I know sometime I'm gonna be out here and go, God,
so many ropes.
So many ropes and so many cleats. It's like, Doug knew where everything attached. No idea. This is a nice way to spend the day. Can't kite surf. Haven't been out in the water. I mean, we paddleboarded a little bit once. I cannot feel the wind. We're hoping the wind comes back and we don't have to paddle in. There we go. We're gonna make it. Well, caught in the rain. We're still slightly moving back to shore. Still fun. Okay, wow, rolling up the Jenica. Not too hard, just keep rolling it. Got one last nice puff of wind, just enough to get us back to land. Made it. They're now pushing the boat in. Doug is rolling the mainsail from the top.